Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 7.11. So let's take up the first subdivision, integral 0 to 1 x power 5 divided by 1 plus x power 6 dx. We are going to put this entire 1 plus x power 6 is equal to t. So this means 6x power 5 dx is equal to dt, or x power 5 dx is equal to dt divided by 6. So the integration will modify as dt by 6, the whole thing by t. Now let's work on the limits. So if we put x is equal to 0, so this is 0 power 6 is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So the lower limit is changed to 1. Now let's put x is equal to 1. So 1 plus 6 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the upper limit is changed to 2. Now let's take this 1 by 6 outside. So 1 by 6 integral between 1 to 2 dt divided by t. So this is equal to 1 by 6 log t. We are going to apply the limit 1 to 2. So if you apply the limit, this is 1 by 6 log 2 minus log 1. Remember, log 1 is equal to 0. So you can simply ignore this value. So the value for the first integration is going to be equal to 1 by 6 log 2. Now let's take up the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, we are going to put this 1 plus x squared is equal to t. So 1 plus x squared is equal to t means 2x dx is equal to dt. We need value only for x dx. So x dx is equal to dt by 2. So if you see, the integration will modify as integral dt divided by 2 by root t. Now let's work on the limits. So if you put x is equal to 0 here, t will become 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1 here, 1 plus 1 square is again 1. So t's value will become 2. So now let's modify the integration. So this is half into integral of dt divided by root t between the limit 1 to 2. So if you see, we can directly apply the integration. So this is half into, this will become t power half divided by half between the limits 1 to 2. So either way, when I take this half, this and this will vanish. So this is t to the power half between the limits 1 and 2. So this you can apply. This is going to become equal to root 2, the upper limit, because 2 to the power half is root 2, minus 1 to the power half is 1 only. So the final answer is root 2 minus 1. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.